Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Yeezy Day cup to share with you. These are the Yeezy 350 Onyx. Without showing you the box, which you saw for a lot of times already, these are in size 7, 41/3 in European sizing. The color is Onyx. And without, making this too long, I'm just gonna show you the shoe and share a couple of things that go along with it. So here is the shoe. It is very black, very dark black, I would say. The stripe here is translucent and will show a little bit of your sock and adds additionally to the breathability. A lot of the people said that this latest batch of shoes, which has been hanging around the storage area for longer time because of whatever was happening with Kanye and Adidas, that they have quite a strong glue smell. If I smell this particular shoe, I would say there is a bit stronger glue smell. I will be posting more reviews this week because I had the luck to also cop the brown belugas and blue and black slides, so keep in touch for that. As for the overall feel of this shoe, nothing special. The same bone stitching down the middle here. The prime knit feels soft and pliable like it should, so nothing different there. The insole has the Yeezy sustainability marker inside. The bottom is plain black with a little boost protruding here, which is standard with all the Yeezy 350 models. So nothing special from this perspective. This shoe does have the pull tab. A lot of people love the pull tab, a lot of people don't like it also, so it's a mixed bag. For me personally, I don't mind. Obviously, this is not my personal size because I am not size 40. My shoe size is 46. And I copped this for a very special person. Hello. And my personal pair is gonna be the Beluga one. I already have a black pair of Yeezys. It's not exactly this Onyx model, but something else, which is half black, half gray, I would say. I don't know the exact name, but it's the one that has this part here in yellow. The Yeezy enthusiasts will know which ones I'm talking about. So I didn't need a black Yeezy per se. Therefore, I didn't enter the raffle for this particular model in my personal size. If you managed to cop anything on the Yeezy Day, congrats. Is this the last thing that is dropping from the Yeezy and Adidas collection? I don't know. Personally, I believe there are still more pairs hanging around in the storage, and potentially we will see some more shoes coming here and there. Okay, that said, if you have any question about this particular Yeezy 350 V2 in the Onyx colorway, be sure to leave it down in the comments box. As always, as I said, I'm not gonna make this super long because what's there to say? It's a pair of Yeezy 350, which we all know and love. A very popular shoe for sure, which is now, I believe, already a classic shoe. Okay, nowhere probably near the resume of Jordan 1, but nevertheless, a new age classic for sure. I'm kind of sad that this shoe might not be dropping anymore, at least not in large quantities. So this was kind of the last time you had the chance to really cop yourself a pair if you're in the market for one. That said, I do believe a lot of the pairs dropped on the 1st and on the 2nd of June. And the resale should not be too bad. So if you want to get yourself a pair, I think you have a reasonable chance to pick up something on the resale market for not a crazy price. Because if you remember, when the first this shoe start dropping, the resale prices were outrageous. I remember I paid for a pair of Pirate Blacks V1 over 500 euro, which is not that bad, but the bad thing was they never arrived because they got stolen in the transit. Nevertheless, I received my money back. That said, too bad. That's quite an iconic shoe. I did enter the raffle for that myself, but this time around I wasn't lucky enough to get that shoe on this last raffle. Alright, that's it for this shoe, and it's it from me. If you have any questions, guys, do let me know. Thank you very much, and bye for now. Bye.